Bum 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 bum. The Late Show with Kuya Colby. Hello guys, this is my interview and this one is an audition. This is The Late Show with Kuya Colby, coming in July 10. Watch it now because I am now a singer and now I had a late show. So we should turn up the lights so that you can see me. Okay, so this time I am a singer and I had a late show, and then you're ready, right? Because the experiment episodes is exciting for you. The guests are Lamarck and Aya. So we have to have our audition takes of the Late Show with Kuya Colby. This is produced of the Jacktos, DX, DD, or OX. Okay, do you know what's the meaning of OX? Yes, outlet zeros. So be sure to subscribe my channel, everyone, because this will be a very exciting The Late Show. Bye. Have fun.